Hello, guys.
Ooh. Look at that light filter.
Okay.
Look at Coco with the Don't choose it.
You have been.
I've been choosing since
I chose. How about that?
I've been choosing since I met you, baby.
I chose already. Yep. So I look a little different from the last time you saw me. No longer in New Orleans. Back home, clearly. I got home about 9-ish, and I was just ready to put it all down and go to sleep. So that's what I did. So I never came back. But I told you I was going to tell you what happened, and I never got to tell you what happened. You guys, my passport was delivered to my house the morning. Like, I was literally standing in line in New Orleans at the passport agency, and my passport was being delivered by UPS at my house. I had no idea it had even shipped. They do notifications on their website, but I guess it's not. I don't know when it updates, because I check it every day. I checked it the day before I left, and sure enough, it's still set in process. But when I checked it in line while I was just standing there waiting to be seen, it said shipped. And I tracked it, and it had been delivered, and it was on my front doorstep. So the good news is I got my passport, and we are officially Aruba bound. I was also supposed to film my COVID test today, but I forgot. It was my first time taking a COVID test, believe it or not. But you know, it's pretty easy. I did it through the drive-thru at CVS, and we should get our results tomorrow. So we don't really expect anything out of the normal there. And you might be wondering why we're dressed up right now.
Looking all sexy.
I didn't even get to do a full face of makeup because I've been running around all day. I got my hair done. I was trying to work. Chuck been running around all day. It's just been I feel like we've been in a mad dash all week. But I managed to pull something together. We'll try to do a full look at some point. But we're going to a wedding. One of my very, 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 very good friends. I don't even call him my old coworker anymore, but we used to work together. But he is my friend, and we have been friends for some years now. He's getting married today, and we're going to witness. I am so excited to be going to this wedding. I've been telling Chuck I want to go to a wedding. And then 2020 happened, and no weddings at all. And then but now. And then after that, you know, I don't think we ain't been making nobody's short list. But it's all good. We understand that by all means. But I have been dying to go to a wedding, so I'm excited.
She want to dance on the dance floor.
I do. And I want to eat, and I want to like celebrate love. Yes. So I guess we finally get to kind of kick up our heels a little bit, because like I said, we've been racing all week. Still aren't packed. We are prepped, but we still have a lot of packing to do for Aruba. So I'm going to be showing a little bit about that in another vlog or video. So it'll be separate from a vlog, but it's like I don't even know where this footage is going to go. We'll see. So I don't know if this is the start of a vlog or the middle of one. I'll tell you when we get there, or when I edit it.
Hit the button.
Exactly. Subscribe to see. Find out. Either way, you're gonna see. So we are headed to the venue now, and see you when we get there.
I'll be there too. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
I said we.
I know. I'll be there.
Precious, a word that comes to mind.
Though small in size, these rings are very large in their significance. After this,
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
It's the next day, and we are on a family trip at Tarjay. Yep. Got Bookie in here.
Singing, he's riding the tunes.
Bookie loves Target.
Who needs store music when you have the Bookster?
Look at your little fat face. We getting books for Bookie, among other things. We got some stuff for ourselves too, though. It's under Bookie stuff.
Is it?
That's it.
That sums it up.
All right, so we just wanted to say good morning to y'all. The wedding was beautiful.
Yep.
My friend looked so good, and I am so happy for them.
That was sharp.
So yeah, I hope y'all got to see a little glimpse into what we experienced yesterday. Definitely tried to like stay in the moment, but also just, you know, show a little couple things here and there. But we had a great time. So yes. Say congratulations to Terrence and Antoine.
Congrats.
Welcome to married life.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I am getting there. I have all of my clothes packed up in these cubes. So I did, well, I don't know if I'm gonna put it in this vlog or the other video, but you'll know when you see it. I did show you guys how I am packing up the stuff in the cubes. I did watch a couple videos just to see, well, really just one video to see how people do it. I've always wanted to try the cubes out, and this is how it turned out. I'm actually pretty happy with it. These are the only things that I didn't put in there just because I didn't want it to take up space. Like, I didn't want, maybe this one wrap might have accounted for 3 shirts that I could have fit in there. So I'm in my jeans, and I just have this little jacket because I thought about wearing it tomorrow. But I also may just put on a hoodie. I don't know how hot it's going to be in the morning because it's been really chilly here in Atlanta. So I'm going to play that by ear. But if I don't wear this jacket to the airport, I'm going to pack it. So, and then I got just those two pair of shorts. And I'm just going to pack those at the bottom of the suitcase and put my cubes on top. I really do feel like they are efficient and save some space. I am kind of questioning how I'm going to repack. I mean, I guess I have to repack my stuff up as neatly as I did. I'm not really sure of the method I'm going to use yet, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll get to that part when we get to that part. For now, we are almost there. That's the fan and the phone cases. I'm trying to choose between those two totes as a beach bag for when we do go. Oh, and those are two bags that I did not use yet. I may use them for something else, like I don't know, if I can't fit all of my toiletries in my toiletry bag, which I really feel like I can. I don't have to bring all of my hair care stuff because I have braids, so that kind of significantly cuts down on the amount of hair stuff I bring. But I don't know, we'll see. I do have those two spare things, and I actually probably could use those for dirty clothes when I'm there. Obviously all the dirty clothes won't fit in there, but you know, something. But I'm choosing between those two totes to pack in my bag to take as a beach bag. I got 4 beach towels, so those are for both Charles and I. We're going to probably lay the suitcases out at some point this evening and decide how we want to divide up everything, because we have a couple other things. Tell me, if have you guys stayed in an Airbnb before? I've never actually stayed in an Airbnb, so I don't know whether they have bath towels and washcloths for you. So I'm bringing one each for both me and Charles, and we'll see. It's probably in the description of the Airbnb. I have the link, but I didn't read everything. I just looked at how beautiful it was. So I don't know, more to come on that. Alright, so I'm going to keep packing up the toiletries. I'll probably show you guys what the toiletries look like after I pack it up. And then Chuck and I are going to figure out something to eat, and we're going to get some rest. Low-key sad because I dropped my baby off to his grandparents. I know he's in great hands, but this is our first trip, and it's a long trip without taking him, and it'll be the longest that I've ever been away from him. The longest I've ever been away from him is maybe like a day and a half or so, and so this is kind of big. So I'm feeling a little bit sad right now, but I know he's okay. I know he's having fun. So, and we will be having fun soon too. All right, I'll be back. Real quick, y'all, I wanted to show y'all what my airport outfit is gonna be. I'm going real ghetto tomorrow, so I got the little tie-dye biker short coordinating fit right here. But since it be so cool in Atlanta, I'm gonna wear my Ivy. Well, this is one of my Ivy Park hoodies. I think I just got, yeah, I got two, three. I don't know. This is one of them though. But I never worn these socks before, so I'm gonna put these socks on, and I'm just gonna put on my little those white slips, Birks there, and that's what I'm wearing to the airport. So it's gonna be a hot girl trip, hot girl summer trip. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I'm just like, that's gonna be the outfit. Plus, I don't like taking off tennis shoes in the TSA line. I like to just slip off something, throw it in the bin, and pick it back up. So that's the other thought behind that. It's function, really. So, and I mean, I don't know when else this will be appropriate for me to wear. So that's what's happening tomorrow. Is that a challenge? Say hey to everyone. They haven't seen you in a while.
I've been around, man, you know.
He's definitely been in the background doing things, lots of things.
Yep.
But are you ready to go?
I am ready to go. I'm excited. I'm really looking forward. I just want to see her at the beach.
Do you miss the baby?
I know I do miss the baby. I know I'm going to miss the baby. But I know that we definitely need and deserve this.
Right.
We do. I think we gotta do this for us.
Yeah, we not on the rocks or nothing. We just need to be alone for it. Our relationship literally was like an accelerator type thing, and that included the production of Buki. And we haven't stopped since.
About that one day.
Maybe not. But I just wanted to show y'all. Yeah, one day that.
Yeah.
But we just having our little last dinner.
It's on the only.
Huh?
OnlyFans.
Oh gosh.
I'm kidding. No. I'm so kidding. I'm sorry, yeah.
But went and got us some American deli. I was happy to find one open on a Sunday evening. But yeah, me and Chuck gonna split that Philly there and eat some of these wings. I don't think we gonna eat all this food.
We not. It just gonna be bad.
But if you don't know, hot wings are an Atlanta delicacy.
Yeah, man.
And you can't get them like this anywhere else but here.
Yeah, matter of fact, I'm gonna go get some more sprinkles.
All right.
Just for the.
And just so you know how to order your wings when you're in Atlanta.
So,
Not Atlanta, but Atlanta.
Atlanta, not even a T on it.
Charles and I are both Atlanta natives, born and raised.
Yeah.
We have claim to hospitals, high schools, and residents.
Yeah.
So Charles technically Decatur, but we won't talk about that.
I'm Decatur.
And
So, alright, we're gonna do it now. No, I'm kidding.
still counts though.
I'm Decatur though.
But if you come to Atlanta, you gotta make sure you get some hot wings.
Yeah.
If you feeling fancy, get lemon pepper
Lemon
sprinkled
pepper
on the
sprinkles.
things.
Wet though.
Extra wet. Because some places serve them dry.
Yeah, real dry and dry.
JR Crickets, is that you? No, I'm just kidding. And then make sure you also just try the original lemon pepper because nothing is like a good lemon pepper wing. Make sure you get them things wet too. Go ahead and try a Philly cheese. No, Atlanta is not Philly, but we got a good Phillies. Yeah, we got some pretty good Phillies down here. So give them a try. And make sure you put some seasoned salt on your French fries, folks.
Got to. Extra.
It's only right.
Little zazzle.
Look, and then make sure you get your drink, get a peach with lemonade mixed. And that's it.
Yeah.
Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say you didn't know.
She said it, man.
All right, we finna eat.
Oh yeah.
Peace up. Now I'm not gonna do that. Hello guys. We have boarded the flight and we are ready to go. So I'm going to close out the vlog here. Well, if you want to see the trip, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also see the next vlog. We'll see you soon. Bye.
See the boat.